mentioned in the last time that I asked about the DNA that there are a lot of other variable tests that need to be done. Nasaan na po tayo ngayon doon? Because I think this is already the 3rd week. So from the December 29 na nakuha po, dumating sila sa Metro Manila December 31. So,
3rd week na. Kailangan
this is
na
the 3rd
ma-follow up.
week. So,
Kailangan na ma-follow up.
if you already have an update.
Wala pa naman official na natatanggap na resulta. Pero kung meron man o hindi naman namin ipipresenta ito sapagkat yung aming mga basihan na legal ay hindi naman naka-anchor dito sa DNA test.